selamat pagi pemirsa BTV semuanya. Kembali lagi bersama saya Ferry Kurniawan di B Talk Show. Nah, in this morning we have special guest. Welcome to Sheila Sarif. Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning. I'm Sheila.
Yeah.
Came from Canada. I live in Vancouver, and I've just graduated from UBC, which is the University of British Columbia, and I graduated in psychology, and I minored in business.
Oh, good. It's so nice for us to have you here in BTV.
Awesome. Thank you
Okay.
for having me.
Ya, tadi Sheila sudah memperkenalkan diri. Sheila ini baru datang ke Palembang dan sekarang kita sedang melakukan tur kampus di Universitas Bina Dharma. So, welcome to Universitas Bina Dharma.
Thank you so much.
Okay, firstly, I would like to ask you about your first impressions because I know that it is your first time to be here in Palembang.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about Palembang?
Palembang's a really nice city. It's quite busy, but not too hectic, so that's
Yeah.
always nice. Like for example, in comparison to Jakarta, it's not as crazy.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I hope that it will not that crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and no, so far it's been great. The food has been really awesome, so really happy about it.
Oh, nice to listen about that. And then, yeah, that's about Palembang, right? So I think that we need to going around to check about anything about culture, about Palembang people, about food. Have you tried Palembang food?
Yeah, I did. I think I tried this fish.
Fish?
Pindang.
Pindang? Oh,
Yeah,
good.
I tried
You
that.
like it?
It was good. It was really
That's
good. And then of course I tried pempek.
Oh, pempek, you tried it?
Yeah, classic.
You like
That
it?
was really good too. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I always love Indonesian food. So.
Good, very good. Nah, Sheila ini sudah baru pertama kali ke Palembang dan sudah mulai mencoba makanan Palembang, sudah nyobain pindang ikan tadi dan juga sudah mencoba pempek Palembang. Nah, kita tanya lagi nih, sekarang kan Sheila sudah berada di kampus kita, Universitas Bina Dharma. Kita tanya-tanya tentang Universitas Bina Dharma. So, now you are here in Universitas Bina Dharma.
Yes.
Okay, one of popular and then good campus in Palembang.
Yeah.
Okay, so your first impressions
Yeah.
in here about
For
Bina Dharma
sure.
University.
The campus is definitely very lively, which is good. It shows that you guys have a really good campus life.
Yeah.
And yeah, I saw a lot of the rooms. You have a lot of services provided for the students, and
Yeah.
it seems like the lecturers are really involved with the students' learning. So that's always good to see in a university campus.
Yeah, yeah, and I could inform you that we have international program too here. So we have international student,
Yes.
like they could learn about bahasa Indonesia, they could learn about the other things. So
Yeah.
you have to tell to your friends
Yeah.
and others outside there in Canada that they could come here and then could study here in Universitas Bina
I
Dharma.
will definitely do that.
Ya, jadi pemirsa, sekarang kita juga meminta Sheila untuk menginformasikan ke teman-temannya bahwa kita ada kelas internasional, yang program internasional ini bukan cuma orang-orang yang di Asia yang ada di sekitar Indonesia, tapi juga memang yang jauh di sana, dan bisa menginformasikan, Sheila nanti informasikan kepada teman-teman di sana bahwa juga bisa kuliah di Universitas Bina Dharma.
Bingung cari info terbaru tentang kampus kita? Nggak perlu khawatir. Kini, kamu bisa tahu info tentang kampus kita di HP kamu. Tinggal klik, langsung jalan deh.
Visi Universitas Bina Dharma ingin menjadi universitas yang berstandar internasional dan berbasis teknologi informasi pada tahun 2025. Dalam waktu dekat, Universitas Bina Dharma akan mengikuti akreditasi internasional untuk 4 program studinya. Profil lulusan Universitas Bina Dharma, kami ingin menghasilkan lulusan yang mampu menjawab perkembangan zaman.
BTV adalah TV komunitas yang berjalan di bawah naungan Universitas Bina Dharma. Komunitas kami beranggotakan dari mahasiswa berbagai fakultas di Universitas Bina Dharma yang memiliki minat dan kompetensi dalam dunia broadcasting. Di sini kami berpartisipasi dalam setiap proses produksi yang dimulai dari dokumentasi kegiatan kampus, pembuatan konten, mengoperasikan peralatan pendukung, hingga memberdayakannya agar menghasilkan program TV yang berkualitas. BTV juga menjadi wadah untuk mengasah kemampuan dan kreativitas sebagai pendukung program pertelevisian. Selain dibekali kemampuan dari segi teknis, kru BTV juga diajarkan bertanggung jawab dan bekerja sama dalam sebuah tim. Tentunya kami menyajikan program-program yang edukatif, informatif, dan menghibur yang bisa diakses melalui web streaming di btv.binadharma.ac.id atau juga dapat mendownload aplikasi Bina Dharma TV di Play Store dan App Store.
Okay, talking about education.
Yes.
So what are you doing right now?
Oh, what I'm
Oh,
doing?
yeah?
I'm doing psychology.
Oh, psychology.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You have graduated right now, or you
Yes,
still
so
studying?
I just graduated.
Mhm.
I finished it up in August actually, so
Mhm.
very recently, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay, good. So I will ask you about the difference
For sure.
between how we study here in Indonesia, in Palembang, and then in Canada. How do you study that?
I think the main difference is
Mhm.
definitely perhaps the independence of the students learning.
Oh, they more independent.
Yeah, so
Okay, kita harus juga seperti itu, harus lebih mandiri belajarnya. And then,
yeah, so in Canada, I think the lecturers and professors, they expect the students
Mhm.
to learn on their own. It's their responsibility to kind of figure things out.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I've noticed in here you get a little bit more support actually, which can be a positive thing too.
Oke, nah bedanya katanya kalau di Kanada itu kuliahnya, proses belajarnya itu lebih independen. Jadi untuk ketemu profesornya juga tidak terlalu mudah, tapi ketika dibutuhkan pasti akan ketemu. Yang lebih pastinya lagi belajarnya lebih independen, lebih sendiri. Jadi belajar di kelasnya itu cuma formal saja. Selain itu kita belajarnya dengan kemandirian masing-masing. Jadi agak sedikit berbeda dan itu harus kita contoh. Oke. Then I will ask you about what you plan in the future. So now you visit Palembang,
Yes.
right? And then I will ask you to see the other things
Yeah.
outside of airport, hotel, and then this university,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
So you could see about the culture too.
Yeah.
So we could say that we could invite you. Would you like to stay here in Palembang? Are you interested to stay here?
Yeah, I mean, I think it'd be definitely really neat to have a few more days here to see what the city has to offer, because I didn't really get to see too much of the city. But so far it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope that you will stay here with us here. Yeah, to
I'll
build
try,
up our
maybe
country.
one day.
Yeah, one day. Okay. One more
Yes.
about time here. So after I listen that you will go back
Yeah.
tomorrow, right? So
Yes.
what you plan in one day? You still have one day right here in
Yeah.
Palembang. What you plan? What you will visit?
What am I gonna do? I think I'll spend time with my dad, who's here with me right now.
Mm-hmm.
We'll probably take a look at more things in the city and
Yeah.
definitely eat better food.
Yeah, eat more food. That's
Yeah.
quite important. And then
Yeah.
see
Hopefully
the
I'll
other
get to
things.
see more
Mhm.
of the culture. and
The
things like
cultures.
that. Yeah.
You have to use traditional custom.
Yeah.
Become like traditional wedding
Oh,
wedding
yeah,
wear, right? Jadi pengantin Palembang nih, harus cobain. Okay, thank you very much for our
Thank you.
short conversation
Yeah,
today.
awesome.
Hope to see you again, and it should be soon.
Okay.
You have to go back here
Yes,
to
I'll come
Palembang
back.
and then see us here.
Awesome.
Oke, good. Thank you very much. Demikianlah tadi percakapan singkat kita bersama Sheila Syarif yang menarik sekali dan juga sangat menyenangkan sekali untuk diajak ngobrol. Kita kembali lagi ke Bitalk Show selanjutnya. Selamat pagi.
Universitas terbaik di Sumatera Selatan.
Jaringan nasional dan internasional.
Dosen berkualitas lulusan dalam dan luar negeri.
Fasilitas nyaman untuk belajar.
Menghasilkan sarjana-sarjana berkualitas.
Ayo, bergabung di Universitas Bina Dharma.